pet.
This video is for those that want to go into Faceless channel. You know, AI is really doing wonders. You can use this kind of videos for your Faceless YouTube channel, Faceless TikTok account, Faceless YouTube Facebook page, Faceless TikTok, all right, Faceless YouTube channel. So anyone that you want to go, this kind of video is really there to help you, and you can generate them under seconds with AI. So come with me, let me show you how I did all this. All right,
not so fast, you beast. This ends now. Take that, beast. It's over.
All right, come with me to Play Store. You go to Play Store on your phone, then you will search for Grok, Grok, Grok. That's it. You search for it. Yeah, this is it. All right, this is it. Then if you did not download it on your phone, it's going to show you download. All right, I have already downloaded it. So now we'll open it. We'll open it. We open it. All right, this is it. Then it depends on the kind of, or it depends on what you want to do, the kind of AI content you want to shoot for your Faceless channel. All right, so this is how I achieved those two videos. All right, you are going to come to this imagine, this place, imagine, this place. Then you are going to choose the picture. This is the picture I use for that. Then you are going to type in what you want. You can use ChatGPT to give you an script for it. All right, but I just use my head. All right, I use my head, and I tell Grok to make me for the first video where I was walking around with my giant pet. I tell Grok to make me a giant tiger pet. I walk around with it. While I walk around with it. To the admiration of other people. So this is what I do. Then after typing in your prompt or script, whichever one, you send it. Then you are going to wait for it to generate. All right, you are going to wait for it to generate. The generation is going to count from 1 to 100. All right, once it's done, your video will be ready. Then you will click here, this one here, this one. You will click it to download your video. But the thing here is that it's going to be just 6 seconds. All right, it's going to be 6 seconds. So from this your 6 seconds, you will continue. If you don't like the results it gives you,
Behold my giant tiger head.
Whoa, a tiger!
Isn't he magnificent? Let's go.
so if after checking out the result that it gave you, and you look at it, you don't like it, you can continue to change the script. You can continue to change the prompt. all right. But if you like the result that you just want it to be longer, then you will continue clicking it again and again and again and again. Like my own, I did it up to 6 times. All right, I did it up to 6. I used the same prompt for 6 times. All right, and the result keeps coming back better. All right, it keeps coming back better. So now I have downloaded it. Now what you do next is to take it to CapCut. Don't post it this like that. Like, after generating from AI, make sure you edit it. Make sure you edit it. Don't remove from AI immediately and you post immediately directly. Always edit with your editing equipment. So this is where I took it to CapCut and I edited it, because each video comes in 6 seconds. So after editing, after piling it up, joining it together, it turns to 25 seconds. All right, so that is it. If you want to use this to go into Faceless channel, you can use it to go into Faceless channel. You edit your videos, like you can even make movies with it. All right, you can even make movies with it. So thank you for watching. If you like this, subscribe to YouTube Tips by Blessing. I have more. All right, this is how to edit your Faceless channels,
Keep running, don't
how to edit videos for your Faceless channel. Subscribe, because I have a lot more to teach you. Subscribe, comment, drop your thank you in the comments, and make sure you watch my next video. All right, thank you.